Today, I'm taking everyone to explore the galaxy. Wait, hold up. That's a different script for a different video. Okay, so this is the original script. Today, we are going to check out the best settings for OBS in 2023 and hopefully 2024 as well. These settings are best for your screen recording, capturing your gameplay footage or anything at all. Personally, these are the settings I use for whatever I'm doing. So let's get into the video. First things first, you have to open up your OBS and go to your settings. Go down to your output since this isn't a streaming video. And if your output mode is on simple, you have to make it advanced so that you can get everything else. When it's advanced, go to the recording tab. Then you can use MP3 recording format, but I like to use the MKV format because from past experience, my PC used to turn off, like my system just crashed. For the stream encoder, if you are using NVIDIA, you have to use the H.264 encoding. Then for the audio format, you just use the AAC. I would say you have to keep two audio tracks, one for your gameplay and one for your audio, like your microphone audio, so that if you're editing, it will be easy for you. For the rescale outputs, keep it the size of your monitor. If I'm recording in 4K, use 4K. I'm recording in 1080p and my monitor is 1080p, so I keep it as 1080p. Then we come to the encoder settings. For the rate control, change to CQP and set the level to 16. I would say from 16 to 18, that's the best range for the best image quality. Keep the keyframe interval at 0. And for the preset, change it to either the slowest or anything in between that. You can use the slower for best quality. For the 10, change it to the highest quality you can get. And for the multi-pass mode, change it to the full resolution. Profile to leave the high, GPU should stay at 0, and the max B frames should also stay at 2. Then you go to the audio part. Make sure the sample rate is 48. Then you can do the rest of your settings. That's basically it. If you want to get the best image quality when you're recording, if you want to see how it looks, you can go over to my YouTube channel, Clapane, and check out some of my gameplay footage. I recorded everything using OBS. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you, and also check out my blog. I'll see you all in the next video.